Okay, here we are, David Misholam again with Pacific Symposium, and this is Neil Gumenik, professor, and he's going to tell us a little bit about what he's doing here and what he does.
Thank you, and thank you for attending this wonderful symposium. So, we're the Institute of Classical Five-Element Acupuncture, and we teach the Worsley method, which is a very ancient tradition of classical five-element acupuncture. Most of us went to school in hopes and with the aim of learning how to treat truly holistically and to treat body, mind, and spirit. And many of us found that the education was rather lacking in that area in terms of really how to address the needs of the emotions, the mind, and the spirit. And that is exactly what we teach. Maybe you still long to reach patients at the level of the mind and spirit and the emotions. And maybe what you were given in school were more oriented to techniques of identifying physical symptoms and syndromes and categories, and somehow not really reaching in depth the body, the mind, and the spirit of your patient. And that's precisely what we teach. And that is really what classical acupuncture was about for thousands of years. That's treating truly holistically. That is what we teach. How to use the spirits of the points. And every point has a name translated from the Chinese calligraphy, the very ancient calligraphy, which indicates what that point is capable of delivering to the patient who needs it. How to translate the need of the patient into the precise points that are needed by that individual, that unique individual, who is more than just a symptom, but is a unique being who has a relationship to those symptoms. How does it affect his life? How does it affect her personality? How does it affect her relationships? All this is part of it. And most of the patients that we see are imbalanced at the level not just of the body, but of the mind, the emotions, and the spirit. We teach you how to identify what is the underlying elemental cause of a person's illness. We call this the causative factor. And the thrust of our treatment is to direct balance and harmony to that cause. Because once you have an imbalance in one element, it spreads throughout the system. So if you're just shooting down symptoms one at a time and you're ignoring the underlying cause, the symptoms are just going to return. So that is essentially what we teach. We also teach you how to identify and remove specific energetic blocks. Some of these blocks are lethal, if not removed. All of them will prevent any treatment from being effective. And this information is only taught in the system. We also teach you impeccable pulse-taking skills, as well as the skills of diagnosis, as well as impeccable point location, treatment planning, treatment strategy, and the all-essential skills of rapport and interviewing skills. How to elicit from a patient what is really needed at those deep levels. So if this interests you, if this touches that part of you that still longs to really treat people at the levels of body, emotions, mind, and spirit, give us a call. Let us share this beautiful system of medicine with you. You can reach us at 5elements.com. That's the numeral 5 and elements in lowercase and plural, or at 310-453-2235. You will learn what you came to learn when you embarked on this journey, but maybe missed along the way. So we hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Great, thank you. Appreciate that. I have personally experienced some of the lessons from one of your students, Brian Bender,
Yes.
at Pacific College of Oriental Medicine, and I've used some of the blocks in treatments. I've also received the treatments. It's pretty profound what the five element and your system works on. It's awesome. So thank you very much. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you so much for coming by.
All right, take care.
Thank you.
Thank you.